Okay guys, you can see this, recently I bought a product from Daraj. It's a handy mixer. So I'll give you the short review about this product, whether this product works fine or not. So it's a you can see here's the product. It's a handy mixer. It's a non-electric blender. It's known as it is a non-electric. It's a blender. So you can see the detail about the product. It's a blender for it's a cake, batter, cream milkshake, lassi, coffee, and egg beater for the kitchen. So you can use this product in your kitchens. You can see how we use this products. It's non-electric. The price of this product is not very high. It's not very costly. For more details, you can see the links in the video description. I've left a link to the few non-electric blender. Now let me show you the short demo. That's how exactly this product works. So you can see here it is. Here's the product. Okay, you can see this is the product. Now this is how it rotates. You can see. Now also a demo. Now also the short demo. You can see it's a ball of water. We're gonna put it like this on it. Okay, straightly. This is how it works. See, it's a splash as well. Not much, but a little bit of a splash when you do it forcefully. When you do it slowly, you see, do not see any splash of water coming outside of the ball. But when you do it with a force in a great speed, small droplets of water splashing here and there. But when you leave a more space in the ball, if you make it full, so water might splash a little bit. Wow. So if you like this cheap handy blender, I've left a link in the video description.